How to link your Facebook account with Deezer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to link your Facebook account with Deezer in easy and fast way. So first thing we do, you go to Deezer, and as you can see this is the home page. Now you click on the top corner here, and after that you go to account management, and you go to linked account. Click on this option here, and after that you will find link your Facebook account. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.